Chapter 1 Sounds Sneha. Hi Ram, what are you doing? I'm learning words' meanings. But your pronunciation is wrong. Do you know about vowel sound? Vowel sound? No. What is it? Okay, I will tell you how to pronounce the words. Let's learn one by one sounds. First vowel sounds. Vowel sounds. A, hut, bus, come. I, hit, bit, fit. U, hook, full, book. A, harm, card, charm. I, heat, beat, seat. U, hoof, rule, loom. E, hen, pen, bed. Ae, hat, bad, cattle. Au, ego, hero, show. O, hot, off, box. Diphthongs. Ei, bay, gate, wane. Ai, buy, bite, liar. Ol, boil, loiter, employ. Ei, cheer, mere, dear. Ee, air, pear, chair. Ue, poor, dual, sure. Eu, no, home, boat. Au, now, house, down. Tomorrow I will tell you, Ram, about consonant sounds. Okay, sister. Chapter 1 Sounds. Ram. Hello, sister. Today you tell me about consonant sounds. Yes, Ram, I remember. Okay, I will tell you consonant sound. How to pronounce the word. Okay, sister. Sneha. Consonant sounds. P, pen, paper, parrot. B, boy, bad, bag. T, tea, talk, tail. D, day, daily, date. K, keep, keen, care. G, gate, good, begin. TF, chain, charm, chair. J, joke, judge, gentle. F, face, philosophy, fail. V, vain, vest, value. TH, thank, think, thief. TH smaller, this, that, there. S, see, soon, knees. Z, zoo, opposite, fuse. SH, shade, ship, admission. SU, treasure, closure, fusion. H, hand, hard, hobby. M, man, meet, make. N, night, net, nine. N, long, sing, finger. L, long, love, loud. R, river, rain, reach. Y, yet, unit, yard. W, weight, wide, waist.